bó lè pé wọ́n wà ní kóòtù síbẹ̀ ìjà tí àwọn mọ̀lẹ́bí alọ́ba ìyẹn àwọn tó bí Mohbad ń bára wọn fà kò kéré o pàápàá láàrin Wùnmi ẹni tí ṣe ìyàwó Mohbad tó sì bímọ ọkùnrin làǹtìlanti fún fídíò kan ló wà níta nílá nínú èpè ní obìnrin arẹwà yìí ń gbé bàbá ọkọ ẹ̀ṣẹ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ lóhun ẹ̀ ń le gidigidi sí wòlíì Joseph alọ́ba ẹni tí ṣe bàbá tó bí ìmọ́lẹ̀ tó ṣàìsí ṣùgbọ́n tí wọn kò tí ì gbé wọ káà ilẹ̀ lọ wàhálà tó wà láàrin àwọn ẹbí yìí ó fẹ́ jọ pé lójoojúmọ́ ni ó le sí o èyí náà tún gbé èyí tí àwọn èèyàn tún gbé kiri lásìkò yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Wùnmi ẹni tí ṣe ìyá Liam tó tún jẹ́ ìyàwó Mohbad sọ pé òun ló ń ṣe èpè yẹn o èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ló fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló fi kún pé níṣe ni àánú bàbá ọkọ òun ṣe òun o tí òun bá tú àṣírí bàbá náà síta òkú ribiti tó ń ti ògúlùtù ni àwọn èèyàn yóò fi pa ọkùnrin káfíńtà yìí ẹni tí ṣe bàbá Mohbad gan ẹnu oníkànlá àti gbọ́pọ̀ òun èpèrè òun àásán látẹnu ìyàwó sí bàbá ọkọ.
bàbá ìyá ló sọ̀rọ̀ bí kò bá pa ìyá mi máa tó bí burúkú ni bí kò bá pa yín bàbá bí kò bá pa ìyá ẹ̀ máa tó bí burúkú ni lẹ́sìn ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọbìnrin ṣàtọ́ mi tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi ẹ̀ ní kú rẹ̀ bàbá tí ọmọbìnrin ṣe nìyàm wọ́n sọ fún yín wọ́n mú yín ọtí jọ yàn ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi ẹgbẹ́ ọmọbìnrin ọkọ ni àbí.
There's this phone call that a blogger is playing on Facebook in which you were raining some abuses on Mr. Aloba, that's Daddy Mohbad. What brought up that? What happened?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, truly, I called him last night. Yeah, I called him last night because I was in my feelings last night. Truly, I barely see anything on the media. I've not been on the media. I've not been on all platforms. So just my friends that usually send me things, but positive things actually. So yesterday I just received a call from my friend saying one blog on Instagram posted a guy cursing him, blah blah blah, and all of that. So I asked her to send to me, but she did not. So she had to come to my side and play it to me, which I know is from Bàbá. Bàbá will be the one doing all that because that's how it was to my husband when he was alive. The only difference is that one is on the one they are doing for him presently is on the media, while my husband's own is in reality. Do you understand? So that's how he does to my husband. So that's how he reports him to people. That's how people call him out and everything. So, and I know it from him. He knows he can't come to the media to swear for Liam the same way he usually does to his son. That's why he has been sending people to do that for him. So, and I don't feel like I owe anybody explanation. I feel, and I wouldn't blame people doing all that because some people are actually doing it for monetization. Some people need money to feed their family, so they'll jump on any trending news. And also, my husband has people that love him genuinely. He has fans that really want to know what killed him. He has people that love him genuinely more than we, the family, does. So I wouldn't blame people trying to point a finger or do this and that. Do you understand? But which I am fine with anybody saying anything because I'm not just going through all these pains. The only difference is I've been going through these pains with my husband when he was alive. But that one is physical. The only difference is that this one is just on the social media and not this thing. So that's just different. So I'm used to pains. But my child, Liam is still little. Do you understand? So I'm just surprised that Bàbá could accept all those things. I'm fine. They can say anything to me. It is normal. But on my child, he's little. That's the property my husband left for me and the other families that loved Liam genuinely. Every other things are nothing. They are things that would eventually live in this life and hand over to somebody else. So Liam is the only property left for me that I have to take care of till my last breath. So I wouldn't allow Bàbá to rubbish him and do him anyhow the same way he did his son. I won't accept it. That's the only reason I called him. And he knows me. He knows that I know more. He knows I know much. But I don't even want to come to the media to start feeling anything about him. Because I wouldn't want a situation whereby people would have to stone him to death. I don't even want that for him. That is why I called him yesterday to warn him. Even if it happens to my child, it's never going to be funny. Because these are the same thing we were telling him when his sons were alive. but which he refused. And I had to put him to his place because I gave birth to Liam. Promise to Liam, Baba. So I have every right on my child, and I have to protect him till my last breath, because that is the same thing that would make my husband be happy in heaven, because that is the only thing he left behind, and not every other Baba has been fighting for. So I have every right to do that. So the only reason why I put a call through to him yesterday is to let him know that it is not possible. If anything happens to my child, I'm never going to take it like play with him. If he knows he's a true fighter, he should have done all these things when his son was alive, or when his son was going through a lot. His son went through a lot in his last week. He knows now. He knows everything the guy went through. He knows. He knows. He doesn't sleep when he doesn't sleep. Papa knows. Papa will come. See him. We'll wait till morning. So Papa knows the struggle he went through before he died. So, and I expected him to act like a father, which he never did. So, he shouldn't be doing all those. I think, when he's doing that for his sake, or for sympathy, which I respect his own decision. We all treat differently. But my child, no. Me, I'm used to all these things. He knows. That's why he knows. That's why even he would have told the speaker that I'm not shaking his speaker. God, me, they're going to know, because truly I don't see all these things they are posting. But for my friend to have called me yesterday, she doesn't tell me any negative things people say about me on the media. But for him to have called me to inform me about that one, about the voice recording, that I needed to do something, which I know that those people saying all those things, they are nobody to me, because I don't know them. They cannot define who I am. I know myself, so I don't have to bother about those people. But Papa himself is the one giving them the thing, that, because he knows I cannot cost them publicly. Why? People will go ask him, that's why I'm sending the speakers. I wouldn't allow that to happen. No, it's never going to happen, because Liam is all I have. He's all I got. He is the one giving me peace and happiness ever since I lost my husband. So why should I put my hands for Baba to harm me? Every other person clearly concerning him cannot now. It's only possible. The only way it is possible to my people among me or call me. But if I be question minimum back on, and it can but to I be what you look where you are, and it can pass me to pass the one out of where. No, the jail. To go to back to the system, but because join on my only jail. Do you understand? So I cannot fold my hands. But every other person saying things to Liam, it cannot come to pass. It is not possible. But I know the impact Baba took on my husband before he died, and he's trying to do that to the only child he left behind. No, it's never going to. No, will it work? So that's why I'm coming for him. So I'm coming for him. I was in my feelings yesterday, and I know what my husband went through from this man. I expected him to have conscience, like, mommy. But no, he wants to continue, okay? No. I should accept it then. I have failed that. I have failed the same way they failed him. I cannot fail my son. No, they failed my husband. They never did anything. If anything happens to him, do you understand? So what they come and one more time, no. If his father was alive now, it would have been better. But my just 2 people working for him. But it is just telling me that I am all he has. I am his word. I am his effort. I am everything he has. I have to protect him with everything in me. I have to protect him. So I only put a call through to him to tell him if anything happens to my child, he's going to die too. Mama is my mother-in-law that is calm. My mother-in-law, if that woman should talk, if he should talk, for me, she doesn't want to talk because she does not want anything. She doesn't want people to stone her to death. And I don't want to talk because I don't want people to stone him to death. If I should come online to start talking, things will get worse. Things will get worse. And I don't even want it because it will disturb justice for my husband. I want justice. He cannot die in vain. I need to know what killed him. Because it's all I don't want to talk too much. I don't talk too much.
Wùnmi, I'm very sorry about this. I need you to just calm down. I need to also get some facts from you. Did you open any GoFundMe for you or for Liam at any point?
I did not even know anything about GoFundMe or anything. Even the account they opened for Liam, it wasn't for me. And the account is even on restrictions. So anything concerning money or anything, I do not know anything about it. I've not been on the media. I don't know anything like GoFundMe. If not,
Do you know there are about 16 GoFundMe accounts presently having your name, Liam's name, Mohbad's name presently running?
No, I did not. I didn't.
Also, another question. Did you have any CCTV in that house?
No, there wasn't. No, we just parked it to the house. And we just started doing the furniture. I think we finished the furniture, we finished the house, this thing, I think few days before my husband died, and we finished setting up the house, I think few days before he died there, so we just parked in there. So there was nothing like a CCTV.
But there were cameras there, but there was no DVR. That is the engine, right?
Yeah, exactly, yes.
So there's this person bringing out a CCTV footage or somebody entering into the house. Do you think that's your house?
No.
Wùnmi, why have you been silent?
Why am I be silent?
Yes.
Because I feel like I do not owe anyone explanations. The reason why I feel like is that Nigerians, and there are not people that really understand. So I wouldn't want a situation where I would have to keep coming outside to talk. That is why I do not want. That's why I have not been coming out. And also, we heard this bring back my husband. No, this cannot bring it back. So why do I have to talk? Even while this conversation I'm having with you, I'm tired already. I'm tired already. Nigerians are not people that really understand. And Baba has already come outside to start saying things that are not supposed to. Things that are even off keys.